What is up everyone, welcome to our next video, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the HyperX CloudX gaming headphones, which promise to be the best gaming headphones in your budget price range. So without wasting any more time, let's get directly into our video.
So this is our headphones, the HyperX gaming headphones, and this one is for the Xbox One. You can find one for PS4 as well. So on the side of the box here you will find the pricing details, and it's priced at 4,990. But we will give you a better Best Buy offer in the description, so wait for that. And here we have some of the specifications written, and here you will have some of the specs, and it's written here that you have a 1.3 meter cable and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So now without wasting much time, let's get unboxing. So this is the final headphones, and you can see it's very flexible. Okay, let's get the headphones out of the way. Okay, so this is very flexible. You can move it on both directions, and also the ear cups that we have, we can move it, but the tilting direction is very less. The angles are very less. And here we have the jack. Let me unroll it. So this is the 1.3 meter headphone cable, and here we have the 3.5 mm headphone jack. So it will be for the regular use to any mobile, or you can use it for connecting it to your PC. So here is the mic, and this mic here, it will have a spring-like texture, and it is rotatable at any angle, so you can use it according to your comfort. You can move it in any direction. And especially the cups here, so this one is meant for comfort and more durability. So if you want to game for a long time, then I think these cups will be really grateful for you. And the sound quality is also very great. So if you are someone who plays PUBG mobile, then this will be one of the best headphones for you, because you can wear it for long. And since the sound quality is so great, you can hear the steps for around 30 meters or so, and it will be really helpful for you while gaming on your mobile. Here we have one cushioning for the head, and this cushioning is also very soft, and it is one of the softest cushionings that you will find at this price range. And these are not the artificial leather sort of cuppings. These are the meshed fabric texture that we have, and provides a very good comfort on the ears actually. So let's move on to this cable, and here we have one button system. So this one is for the mic on and off, so you can switch it off here like this. When you see the red, it will be switched off, and if you want to switch it on, it will go back to switch on. Here we have one volume rocker. It's like a wheel. From both sides you can change the volume of your headphones. So this is one of the very good features that they've given about the switch. I think it will be really handy for people. And that's all about the flexibility. So now let's move on to testing the mic, because it has promised to be a very good mic. So let's move on to that one.
So this audio that you can hear has been recorded from the HyperX CloudX Stinger Core, and as you can listen, this is a very good quality audio recording. And if you are someone who plays online gaming, then I think this will be a great deal for you. The recording will be crisp and clear, and it will be great or easy, really easy to communicate with your mates while gaming. So that is all for the mic test.
So our opinion on this headphone is really great, and if you are looking for a branded gaming headphone, then this HyperX is the one for you to go. And this is a budget headphone, so obviously there are many better headphones that you will find at a higher price range. But if you are someone who is looking for something in the budget range, then this one is for you. And from a PUBG player's perspective, I think this is the headphone that you should go for, because it gives great comfort and you can wear it for long periods of time, along with a great sound quality. So all in all, we can say that this is a great product at this price range, and we will obviously give the Best Buy link in the description below. So if you want to get one, then go to the description and click on that link. You can get the best discount for this product. So if you want a review of this product, the full review, then make sure you comment in the comment section, so that we get to know and we can make one full-on review on this product. So if you like the video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to show your support. And thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, goodbye.